Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor on a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a wrench, a jack stands, and safety glasses. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Next, locate the oxygen sensor. Your Lancer typically has two sensors, one before the catalytic converter and one after. Identifying the correct one is crucial for a successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old sensor. Begin by carefully disconnecting its electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Then, using a specialized oxygen sensor socket or an open-ended wrench, loosen the sensor. These sensors can be quite tight, so apply steady pressure. Once loose, carefully unscrew and remove the old sensor from the exhaust pipe bung. Be mindful of the wires. With the old sensor out, it's time to install the new one. First, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the new sensor's threads. This prevents future seizing and makes removal easier. Carefully hand-tighten the new sensor into the exhaust bung to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use your wrench to tighten it securely. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the threads or the sensor itself. Finally, let's complete the installation and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new oxygen sensor, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. If your check engine light was on, use an OBD2 scanner to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes. Start your engine and listen for any exhaust leaks around the new sensor. Also, observe your dashboard for any lingering warning lights. A successful replacement means a smoother running engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.